We have a question about insurance and limited tort in this edition of The Law and You. With us tonight, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who is here for Ed in the Virtual Law Center. Good to see you both tonight.
Good to see you, Dave.
All right, let's talk some insurance today with our legal question. Let's go to Jack in Moscow, who says, I was injured in a crash, and my wife tells me we may not have a case because we are limited tort. Molly, does Jack have something that he's right about here?
Jack, unfortunately, I hate to tell you, but your wife is probably right in this situation. You're going to have some obstacles, some hurdles to overcome, being that you are limited tort. Before you start worrying about those, though, I would recommend that you get in touch with your agent and get a full copy of your policy. There's some sign downs and some other things that you have to fill out to check that you're limited tort. And if those are all filled out and you are limited tort, unfortunately, you're going to have some obstacles. And to explain that, it's more like you have to have a serious bodily injury, or your crash had to involve somebody who was DUI, or an out-of-state commercial vehicle, or something of that nature to get over the limited tort option. In Pennsylvania, you can't recover pain and suffering if you're limited tort unless one of those exceptions apply. So you should probably get your policy and get to a lawyer so they could talk you through that. And we'd be happy to help you with that. We look at people's policies all the time to talk you through it.
And even with the limited tort cases, don't be scared to pick up the phone and call us. We handle a lot of them. We've overcome a lot of those cases and successfully recovered for a lot of people up here in northeastern Pennsylvania and down in Philly. So, don't be scared. Pick up the phone, call. We'll tell you if we think we can win. And the other thing is we'll get you at least to some doctors who can help you out if that's the case, because you're still injured, even though you have a limited tort. If you're injured, you still need to get things moving. So please call. We can help you with that.
And the number's easy. That's on the bottom of your screen along with the website. And don't forget, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thank you both for being here.
Our pleasure.
Thank you.
PAHomepage.com, the Law and You hotline. 2 ways to get a question here on the show.